looking at Vijay's stance?
Pramod, Vijay as a leader, he has a right to his action. So basically, if he's decided to go back, I mean that's his call. But the sad part is that he's gone right home. होय ते गोरवा बोरवा म्हणतात ते अशें जावंक जायना की चलेक लागले आनी घरा गेले म्हणून प्रोटेस्ट
He should have sat with Viresh.
घराकडे वचना दुसऱ्याच्या आपण विरेशांकडे
So that leads us to believe that whether this entire agitation is getting politically divided.
Correct. So no, but I am again making a point. It doesn't matter if it gets political divided.
Yeah.
Because the agitation is led by people. It is not led by politicians.
पण प्रमोद एक मुद्दो आशिल्लो की when we are going with an issue like this, everybody should be united, irrespective of what political party you are.
ज्या असेंब्ली भितर इतले आमदार एक तर रियल इस्टेट एजंट आसात किंवा रियल इस्टेटांचो धंदो ते ह्या इश्यूचे कशे युनायटेड आसतले
तेन्ना मागीर तुम्ही येत नाका न्हू
हे बरोबर
हा
हो गुड पॉइंट सारको न्ही हो पॉइंट सारको तू पयलीच तोंड दाखयनाका
पयलीं
बरोबर हे सारकें यू डोंट एग्री लोके
एक्चुअली जर प्रॉब्लेम आशिल्लो येवन थंय मागीर तांकां फाटी ओडपाचो प्रयत्न करूं येना मातशें फाटी ओडपाचें कशें जालें त्या टायमार पण तो येयनाशिल्लो जाल्यार ताका पॉलिटिकली खूब माल आसले ते तो जर येवं नाशिल्लो